Hi, I'm Muhammad Fatir from class 15 1B and 05, and this is my project English part 1. And this is my opinion about our new president Bapak Prabowo Subianto. To be honest, my opinion it's a very good because before being president, Bapak Prabowo Subianto was Indonesian politician, businessman, and army general, and he was previously the 26th Minister of Defense under President Joko Widodo from 2019 to 2024, and he was the third president to have military background after Bapak Soeharto and Bapak Susilo Bambang Yudhoyono. And I like whose Bapak Presiden Subianto chose to be his minister in his era. Like we have Ibu Veronica Tan to be our Ministry of Women Empowerment and Child Protection, and she is the chairperson of the Indonesian Cancer Foundation in DKI Jakarta. And we have Ibu Stella Christie to be our Ministry of Education, Culture, Research, and Technology. She earned bachelor degree from Harvard University. And this is what I like from Bapak Presiden Prabowo Subianto era, because the selected ministers are very suitable in their respective field. And I like when Bapak Presiden Prabowo Subianto bring all the ministers to Lembah Tidar in Magelang. Lembah Tidar is known as the location of the military academy, or Indonesian language is AKMIL, one of the oldest and the most prestigious military educational institution in Indonesia. And that's all my opinion about our new president, Bapak Prabowo Subianto. Thank you and wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. And this is my project English part 2, simple present. What is simple present tense? Simple present tense is a form of tense that is used to express events that occur regularly, routinely, or are usually carried out in the present. And what does present means? Present in the present tense mean now. Then simple mean is simple, and tense is the form of the verb according to the time period used. When is simple present tense used? Present tense is used when someone wants to express an event or general fact that is happening now. In terms of name, the formula for this tense is not too complicated. The reason is we often use this tense everyday life. And before we continue, better if we recall the structure of a sentence. So we can say a sentence if it consists of the following three things. First, S as a subject, P as a predicate, and C as a complement. What is the simple present tense formula? In general, the simple present tense formula is a subject plus verb 1 s or es plus complement for positive sentence with a verbal pattern. If the pattern is a nominal, then here present tense formula becomes subject plus auxiliary verb or to be and complement. Nominal simple present tense. Here is the simple present tense formula. For positive, there is subject plus to be and plus complement. And for negative, there is subject plus to be plus not and plus complement. And for question, there is to be, subject, and complement. Example of simple present tense with nominal sentence pattern. For positive, I am an international school student. For negative, he is not international school student. For asking or question, is he an international school student? Verbal simple present tense. Formula of the simple present tense for the verbal pattern is, for the positive, there is subject, verb 1, s or es plus complement. And for negative, there is subject, does, do not plus verb 1 plus complement. And for question, there is do or does plus subject plus verb 1 and complement. Positive or affirmative simple present tense. Example of positive simple present tense sentence. First, I live in Bekasi. Second, he lives in Jakarta. And she lives in Bogor. Negative simple present tense. Specifically for negative sentence and interrogative sentence, use do or does or do not, don't, and does not or doesn't. Example, I don't live in Jakarta. She doesn't live in Bekasi. He doesn't live in Bali. Simple present question or interrogative. In the question sentence pattern, it is divided into two parts, namely yes or no question. Example, do I work? Does he work? In this question, you only need to answer the question with yes, I do, or yes, he do. W and H question. Example for W and H question is what do I play, who do you play, when does he play, where does he play, why do we play, and how do they play. Example of simple present tense. Positive sentence. He want to be a doctor. Goat eat grass. They speak Spanish at the school. She likes apple and they play baseball every morning. A negative sentence. Wendy doesn't see Peter in the class. My best friends don't like you. California is not in the United Kingdom. I don't listen to you. For interrogative sentence or question sentence, does he like sing? Does he play video game? Does your father drink tea? Where does he have dinner? What are the characteristics of simple present tense? First, using verb in the basic form or infinitive or familiar irregular verb. Example, I play baseball every weekend. Play is a verb in the basic form. Second is using auxiliary verb, namely do or does, for verbal sentence on an interrogative form. Example, he doesn't eat vegetable. Doesn't auxiliary word in negative form for the subject he. Do you like chocolate? Do auxiliary verb for question with the subject you. And the third, in the present tense there are usually adverbs of time such as always, usually, often, rarely, never, every day, week, month, year. Example, I always drink coffee in the morning. Function and use of simple present tense. First, general truth or generalization or fact. Simple present tense is a sentence form to state something concrete. 2. Habitual or daily activities, aka repeated action. Simple present tense also functions to show habits or daily activities, aka activities or schedule that you do repeatedly. 3. Express feeling and emotion. You can use simple present tense sentence to express your feeling. 4. The schedule, even in the near future or familiar with future condition. Simple present tense is also used to discuss activities or events that are scheduled in the near future. And that's all for my part 2 Project English. Thank you.